What's up, guys? We're back with another walk around. This is JJ's TL.
What's up?
What year is this?
04.
How long have you had it?
6 months.
What kind of front lip is this?
It's a Mugen style polyurethane rep.
What kind of suspension is this on?
Raceland's Ultimo.
Are they maxed out?
The fronts are, the rears can go lower.
What exhaust setup are you on?
I just have the 2 mufflers and the 2 resonators cut out and just the stock piping size.
Alright, so this TL is actually a 6-speed manual. These are pretty hard to find nowadays. You've got that Mugen shift knob, carbon fiber. These throws feel really nice for stock everything other than the shift knob. This is loaded out on the interior too. It's got heated seats. Don't really need that in Florida, but it's still cool. Full leather interior. Really nice doubled in touchscreen here. We're about to get some rev clips now. We'll throw those in here.